Hi everybody and welcome back to Rude English. In today's lesson I'm going to be discussing the I and E sounds. These are two of the most common vowel sounds in the English language and they share some common minimal pairs, so it's important that you understand the difference between these two sounds. If you want to understand native speakers and improve your pronunciation, then keep watching this video. This is the I sound. You can see from its position on the chart that it's part of the single vowels group. To produce this sound, partially close your mouth and raise your tongue in the center of your mouth. Then spread your lips like you're smiling and produce a short sound from the back of your throat. I. I. The I sound can be represented by any vowel letter, including I in fish, E in English, A in village, O in women, and U in minute. It can also be spelt with UI in words like build. This is the E sound. You can see from the chart that it's also part of the single vowels group, and the two dots tell us that it's a long vowel sound. To produce this sound, partially close your mouth and raise your tongue towards the front of your mouth. Then spread your lips like you're smiling and produce a long sound from the back of your throat. E. E. The E sound is usually spelt with double E in words like free. It can also be spelt with EA in words like easy. It's occasionally spelt with a single E in words like genius, and IE in words like believe, and EI in words like receive. You may have noticed that at the end of the word easy, the letter Y produces the I sound. However, if you look in the Oxford Online Dictionary, you'll notice that it produces the I sound. In the dictionary notes, it explains that the I sound represents a weak vowel sound, which can be pronounced either as E or I, or a compromise between them. Phonetic transcription isn't perfect, and it may vary because pronunciation varies. Consequently, I use the I sound at the end of easy, but it may sound more like the E sound. Well, Mr. Owens, your CV is very impressive and you clearly have a lot of experience. We think you'd be perfect for this job. But we'd like to know a bit more about you. So tell me, what do you like to do at the weekends? Well, I really like bitches. Of course, what I actually meant to say was beaches. I like beaches. But if you accidentally produce the I sound, you say bitches. Bitch and beach is a minimal pair. The only difference between them is the I and E sounds. Let's look at some more common minimal pairs now. Bit, beat. sit, seat. Fit, feet. Hit, heat. If we change the t sound to a d sound, we can create a second group of minimal pairs. Listen and tell me if you notice anything different about the pronunciation. Beat, bead. Seat, seed. Feet, feed. Heat, heed. When the E sound is followed by a voiced consonant, it sounds slightly longer compared to when it's followed by an unvoiced consonant. So bead sounds slightly longer than beat. Well, that's the end of the lesson. Thanks very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and leave some more examples of minimal pairs in the comments below. And I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.